Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video at, yes, Copart here in the Sahara Desert. No, this is Tulsa, Oklahoma, and temperatures, are heating up fast. We went from the 70s to, it's gonna be 90 today. And I got my Coke right back there on the hood of the car, and I am being very careful out here, but it is hot. Fortunately, we have lots and lots of very cool cars and trucks that run and drive that I can check out and enjoy some nice air conditioning. And yes, I have found something I've been looking for a long time. A BMW 535i GT. Here she is, 2010 BMW, like I said, 535i GT. So she has a different kind of a rear end, which I really like. She's kind of hunkered down a little bit, but right off the bat, we do have some, well, they used to be good tires. There's a little bit of tread left on them. These are Continental. Yes, which means hopefully a couple of dings right here that the previous owner took care of her. Is this a matching one? Please. No. Okay, this is a Michelin. Well, we may have to change our story. A couple of scratches right there. See the difference? Kind of a hatchback. Yeah, I think it's a good looking car. I really do. What's over on this side right here? It's got to be a Michelin. Nope. What is this one? Kumo Extra. So we're on 3 different kinds of tires. And what's this guy? Goodyear. We have all of the major tire manufacturers represented on this one car. Maybe I should take my words back. Maybe this wasn't owned by someone who really took care of her. Maybe this was owned by someone who just threw a tire on when they needed one. I hope not. A couple of clear coat issues right here. So the car's 13 years old, and she's hunkered down, but I still have high hopes because I would love to own one of these. I really would. This is dirty on the inside, but you know what? A little cleaning on this and she'd be beautiful. Okay, we have an issue with the cover. Ooh, it's hot in there too. For your very large sunscreen. Look how big that is. That's huge. Got your shark fin antenna right there. A couple of dings. The loss is listed as unknown. Let's just see what's going to happen here. All right, well, something's going on here. We have some illumination. So let's just give her some power. She's not wanting to start at all. Can you hear the air pump is trying to raise the rear suspension, but she's not even trying. Are we in park? Yeah, we're in park. Yeah, she's not. Well, doggone it. This would be a huge risk. The air pump is going to run for a little bit, then it's going to stop because it almost overheats. We've got this cracked, and there's nothing going on right here. Nope. Maybe this one. Here we go. Oh, now there's 2 switches on the back. One of them opens just a little bitty, and the other one opens the whole thing. Okay, I like it more now. That was nice. That's a nice touch. That's really cool. Why would you open just the little one though? I don't know. I really don't know. Max. And then it goes down. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for your service. Next vehicle, please. She's not going to start. Doggone it. And if you're looking for a highway cruiser, this is it. 2000, and I just forgot, 2007, I believe, Mercedes. Yep, 2007 Mercedes E320 CDI, which is diesel Bluetec. This will go forever on a gallon of gas. What is it, almost 40? Yeah, and it'll get you there in style and in comfort. This is one of the E-classes kind of went small for a couple of years. The previous version, the W210, I want to say looked bigger, felt bigger on the inside. They shrank it down for the W211, then they brought it back a little bit for the next version that has a little sharper nose to it and some other changes. But this is it. This, you know, legit street cars, he loved his. He really did. This is silver over gray, which is, yeah, you know, me and my silver cars. Here we go again. But the wood is nice. It's a nice little touch. The seats look comfortable. Ow. I just can't get in cars like I used to. Yeah. I don't know what's gonna... Woo! Well, we have some wear there. You'd need a new center console. Like I said, these aren't the biggest cars in the world, but it'll get you there and you'll be happy and you will save so much money on gasoline. Let's look at the engine and then maybe we'll give her a start and see what she's got. She does need a good cleaning. She needs a detailing. Absolutely 100% does she need to be cleaned. We do have a little bit of damage right there on the front. Nothing major. You pull this out, it releases the hood. And here you go. Oh, well, someone's been in here. This, okay. When someone starts messing around with this stuff, that's serious. You just don't know if someone did it. See how that's broken? Before or after it got here. That, I don't like to see that. I don't, yeah. This should be on and attached to protect that from any fluids. This, usually it goes like this, see, like that, and then this one goes on the other side, over here. But someone has been, yeah, someone's been inside here. They really have. This is even, why is this askew? Why is this? Look at how complicated that is. All for a diesel. Yep. I don't know why that looks like it's tilted that way. Is that normal? I have not had a diesel W211. I've had 2 or 3 or 4 of the 211s. One in a beautiful blue color that I just really liked. But there's... Why would you get in here? There's no place to try to start it. All of the fuses are still attached, it looks like, except for that gray one is kind of out of place. Huh. I don't know. I really don't know. I wish this was in a little better condition. And I don't see a charge point on it either. Huh. Well, shoot. All right. I'm going to have to say we can't do anything on this because there's no way to start it. Battery's dead. And I can't get in the trunk because the battery's dead and they have the key locked to where the... Yeah, I can't. Dag nabbit, I wanted to start this. I really did. It's not the prettiest car, but... Is this open? No. All right, well, I'm sorry, E20. We really tried. We wanted to get your Bluetec going, but we can't. So we're going to move on. And finally, something on the complete other side of the car scale. Yes, look at this workhorse. You remember the Chevy S10s from back in the day? Yeah, a lot of people had this. 6 of 1. So is that 2001 when it was last on the road? This is a 1995. Normal wear listed as the loss. Lots of scratches, but the tires are holding air. Lots of scratches back here. Lots of scratches, a little dent on the bumper. You have a bed liner, a Colonel bed liner. AAA Oklahoma from back in the day, and you know what is even better? It's a manual. Ah, look at this! In 90s green. Clean this up. Oh, what's this? Clean it up, and she'd be pretty. She really would be. You do have a bit of rust. One rust spot right there. Several more probably lurking below, and let's just use a screw, a sheet metal screw, to hold that in. That'll work fine. No one will notice that at all. Lots of scratches everywhere. This is a little loose. Oh, what happened here? Oh man, oh man, oh man. This takes me back to the day. What was I doing in 1995? Was that when Twister came out? I don't remember. Anyway, what do you think about this as a possible truck to work on, to work in? This doesn't want to close. There you go. You just got to slam it. You really got to slam it. Oh, what could this be for? Is this like a security thing? I voted. I voted. You think this was a Republican or a Democrat? I know what I think. And I think I know who they voted for. But look. Do we have... Oh my gosh. 211,000 miles right there. Old time radio, AC, and as I said, look at this, a nice little 5-speed. Does the clutch even... Yeah. There you go. Oh man, and your gauges have different color needles. How about that? You know, you get a little can of that orange, fluorescent orange paint. Paint those up and they look brand new. I've done that on several old Mercedes, 560 SEL and SEC. This is not bad, folks. You want to see if she starts? Well, look at this. Yeah, we have us a missing battery. Dag nabbit. Okay, well, unfortunately, I can't fix that. I really can't. I cannot fix that. But the engine looks okay. It looks to be kind of an honest little engine from way back when. So, of those three cars, who would you rather? I know, I always ask that. I always do. We had 2 failures. Actually, 3. Did every car bomb on this video? Oh no! You guys are gonna roast me in the comments. I know. But I tried. I really tried. I couldn't. None of them worked. So we're gonna call this a fail. It was fun, but it was a fail. So I'm sorry. I apologize. I will do better in the next video. I guarantee you. All right. Thanks for watching though. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Don't inundate me with thumbs downs because I don't want to get that kind of a reputation. I tried. I really tried to find some cool cars. We'll be better in the next video, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Ooh, the shoulder. Bye-bye.